Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So if you're going to become a YouTube content creator, then you're going to have to learn a lot of different YouTube skills. And now for most people, whenever they think about YouTube skills, they're normally thinking of something very technical. Things like video editing, or how your video is shot and how it looks. Or maybe it's all the marketing that you have to do. And while all of these things are important and necessary, I don't feel that it is the most important skill that you should have. So which one is the most important YouTube skill? Well, it's none other than communication. And when I mean communication, I mean it in all forms. So starting with this one right here, this is verbal communication, speaking to the camera, speaking to people. And so for a lot of people, this is a skill that they haven't really developed. And so unless you've already done public speaking or you're really good at talking to people, this is something that is a must-have if you're going to be doing YouTube. So the second type of communication skill that you should have is one that is non-verbal. Things like your facial expressions, your body language. All of these things communicate how you feel and what you're trying to say and convey. So it's not just your words, it's how you present them physically. And then the final type of communication is the environment that you're in. And so for a lot of people, depending on the environment they have, the background, it really sets the mood and it communicates different things. Like for example, I'm outdoors right now, so this communicates a different vibe and feeling versus me being in a dark room or in a loud restaurant or in a concert. All those environments really play a role in how your communication is actually felt by the person on the other end. For serious YouTubers, save time and money with TubeBuddy, the premier tool used at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below. And so why do I feel that your communication is the most important skill? Well, at the end of the day, even though we're doing things digitally through YouTube, you're really connecting with people on the other end. And whenever people are watching your YouTube channel, they want to feel like they're connecting with a real person. Now, maybe in the future, this might not be the case because there's already AI technology out there that can create content without having a person. But until that day comes, you still need to talk and connect with real people. So that is it for my thought on what the most important YouTube skill is that you must have. If you had any other skills you think that are important, be sure to leave down in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my entire YouTube journey for more thoughts and tips on YouTube, then you can check out my playlist. I will leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.